Welcome back. A 38-year-old mother of two from Dallas is recovering after suffering a stroke that was caused by something she least expected.
Yeah, the force of a coughing fit caused the stroke. Doctors say it's a rare cause of the strokes, but it can happen more often than people might think.
Crazy. As Bianca Castro explains, doctors believe her quick recognition of the symptoms saved her life.
Because I'm 38.
Stuck in a hospital bed.
You and your family are in our thoughts.
Isn't where Jeanette Church ever thought she'd be at this stage in her life.
I work out 3 to 4 times a week. I track everything I eat in MyFitnessPal. So, no, there's really no reason that I should have thought that.
And it was during her recent workout, Jeanette says she began to feel weird symptoms. She suddenly lost eyesight in one eye, and her left hand became numb. She couldn't talk normally. She called 911.
The paramedics were asking so many questions, and I was frustrated because I knew all of the answers, and it seemed like it was taking me forever to get them out.
Paramedics rushed her to Baylor McKinney, and then she was airlifted to Baylor in Dallas, where Dr. Joe Heiss,
very little blood getting up into the brain,
showed us the problem. A small tear in Jeanette's artery in her neck allowed blood to pool and then eventually pinch the artery 99% shut, blocking blood to her brain.
In her story, it's not unusual. It tends to occur out of the blue, can occasionally be associated with getting your neck twisted in some sort of trauma.
The only thing that Jeanette says would have caused it, a coughing fit 2 weeks prior.
I felt strained, and after that, I heard my heartbeat in my ear constantly.
But doctors say she's lucky. They say many times young people ignore the symptoms, believing they're too young for a stroke.
Yeah, total ticking time bomb.
Large strokes in young people, you can get enough what we call cerebral edema, swelling of the brain, that you can die.
But Jeanette got help right away.
And it pops open like that.
Dr. Heiss was able to perform a small procedure to repair her artery. Jeanette is expected to make a 100% recovery.
I want to go back to working out and working and making dinners and being a mom and all of those things.
Back to life, but with a new mission as a stroke survivor.
Wow, at just 38 years old.
Unreal.
The American Stroke Association uses the acronym FAST.
F stands for face drooping, A is for arm weakness, S is for speech difficulty, and T stands for time to call 911. What a great acronym.